All right, so today we're going to talk about rules of exponent. As before, before we take some examples, we need to get familiar with some rules. Well, let's get to rule number one. Let's talk about product of rule of the product of exponent. Well, let's suppose we have like x to the a times. Let me just fix that one. All right. No, dots in the middle means multiplication. Times x to the b equals x to the a plus b. Right? So we're just going to add both exponents. For example, if you have like 2, 2 to the third power times 2 to the, fifth power. Right? Now this is 2 to the 3 plus 5, which is 2 to the 8th power. Okay? This is about the product. Well, let's talk about product to power. Like for example, we have, let's see here. We get xy to the a. Now here we're going to distribute the exponent among a and y. So it's going to be x to the a times x to the times y to the a. All right. For example, let's get we get like 2x cubed, right, to the third power. So it means 2 cubed times x cubed, right? 2 to the third power times x to the third. Now this is going to be 8x cubed. Okay. Let me get another example. Well, let me get another rule actually. So it's going to be, let's do rule number 3, which is power to power. So for example, we have x to the a parentheses to the b, right? So that would be equal x to the ab, right? X to the ab. For example, if you have like a square to the third, parentheses to the third, it's going to be a 2 times 3, which is a to the 6. Rule number 4, we're going to talk about the quotient, which is, so let's suppose we have a to the m over a to the n. Now here we take the exponent, right, of a numerator minus the exponent of a denominator here. So it's going to be a to the m minus n. And m must be bigger than n, right? Must be larger than n. Well, let's take an example here. For example, if we have like x to the 6 over x to the 2, right? That would be equal x to the 6 minus 2, and that would be x to the 4. The last rule we're going to talk about it today is quotient to power, which is x over y to the a, for example, right? So we're going to distribute the exponent for both numerator and denominator here. It's going to be x to the a over y to the a, right? Well, there's a condition here that y must be different than 0, right? Example, if we get like, a to the 3 parentheses square. Now that would be a squared over 3 squared, right? Which is a squared over 9. All right. Next video we'll get some examples so we can practice these rules. All right. Have a good day.